What is up, guys, and welcome to another video on CGHQ. My name is Ali, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to program an STM32 microcontroller using the Arduino IDE. The first thing to do is go to Google and search Arduino IDE, and then you're gonna click on this link that says software Arduino IDE. Then here on the download options, you can choose whether you're using Linux or Mac OS or Windows. For Windows, just click on Windows 10 and newer. Then you can either contribute and download, or you can just click on download. You can scroll down again and click on just download, and the download should begin. When you're done installing the software, just go ahead and open it. Go to where it says file, scroll to preferences, and then we're gonna find a link that we're gonna attach here to add support for our STM32 microcontroller. Go to Google again and search github.com/STM32duino and click on enter. Then when you get on this website, you're gonna come here where it says board manager files. Then you're gonna scroll down to here where it says package STMicroelectronics_index. Click on it, and then come here where it says raw. Click on raw, and then this link on top, just click on the link and copy it. Then go back to your Arduino IDE and then paste the link here, and then click on OK. When you're done doing that, you can go to tools, go to board, and then go to board manager. Under board manager, you need to search STM32. You can come here to this first one, click on install. After it says successfully installed, you're just gonna go ahead and plug in your microcontroller via the USB cable. When you're done doing that, you can come here where it says select board and then click on COM3, and then here you're gonna select the type of board that you have. I'm using the STM32F01RE, so I'm just gonna select on Nucleo 64. When that is done, you can see that it says Nucleo 64 under COM3, so it recognizes the board and it was able to identify the COM port. If for some reason the COM port is not visible on your Arduino IDE, you can just go to search device manager, and then in device manager, if you come here to where it says port, you should be able to see the COM port for your STM32 microcontroller, and then you can just come back here and select the relevant port. When that is done, you can go to file, you can go to examples, and you can just go to basics and go to blink. It's going to open a new sketch for us to blink the onboard LED. You need to come here to tools, and then here where it says board part number, you need to select the specific STM32 microcontroller that you have. Mine is the Nucleo F01RE, so I'm just gonna select that. When that is done, you're gonna click on this arrow that's pointing to the right that says upload. It's going to compile the sketch and upload the code onto our microcontroller. When the code is finished uploading on the microcontroller, you can see that the built-in LED on the STM32 microcontroller is blinking like we programmed it to. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you found the video useful or helpful, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any questions or any feedback, please leave them in the comment section below. See you in the next episode.